Hi my dear spirited minds, hope you all are doing great. Dear friends, the great motivational guru John C. Maxwell, in his book The Winning Attitude, he says about attitude as this. Attitude, it is the advanced man of our true selves. Its roots are inward, but its fruit is outward. It is our best friend or our worst enemy. It is more honest and more consistent than our words. It is an outward look based on our past experiences. It is a thing which draws people to us or repels them. It is never content until it is expressed. It is librarian of our past. It is the speaker of our present. It is the prophet of our future. How true it is, friends. In fact, attitude is everything for us. Our attitude reflects how we think, feel and behave in a given situation. It is the fundamental force which defines our life. Friends, how many of us are losing life's battles or failing to achieve our goals because of lack of proper positive attitude? Many. Whoever wants to achieve success and lead a peaceful and happy life and successful life, they need to have a positive attitude. Now, it is this attitude, positive attitudes, will provide force to achieve any goal. It provides understanding how to handle difficult situations, and it gives understanding to maintain good relationships. In fact, attitude touches every walks of our life. Imagine, friends, in your life you might have experienced many incidences where some people, because of their negative attitude, might have caused pain to you. At the same time, there are people whom you might have come across with their positive and caring attitude. They provided happiness to you. So that is to say that the positive attitudes magnetizes people towards them, opportunities towards them. In that way, they will increase, they will attract success in their life. Not only they will attract success in their life, wherever they go, they'll spread positivity. But on the other side, negative attitude people will dispel the opportunities, and not only dispelling opportunities, they will not be associated with the people for long, consequently leading unhappy and unsuccessful lives. So friends, we need to focus on positive attitude or building positive attitude. So let me give you what positive attitude gives to us, benefits us. Positive attitude can show us an opportunity. It shows opportunity during the times of crisis like this. And it helps us, it gives moral strength to fight, to continue the fight against the problems. Let me give you a few examples, friends, what positive attitude can do for us. You all know the famous scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Once his factory was burning and almost everything, all years, decades of research burnt away. Imagine how much pain it will be. And instead of worrying, he called his son and immediately, go and bring your mother, let her watch this. The son was shocked. Why father is asking mother to come and watch see the burning, factory burning? And he said, this kind of an opportunity will never come again. This kind of a scene we can't see again in our life, because all our mistakes, failures are burnt away. And after the fire was extinguished, when the reporters were asking him, Edison, he says that, tomorrow I am going to start again. Just, that's it, friends. Tomorrow I am going to start again. What a positive mental idea. That's why, see, while inventing the bulb, 1,000 times he was failed. And when people asked him, 1,000 times you failed, still you are trying. Then what was his answer? His answer was that, I didn't fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 times how it shouldn't be done. That's why in all our lives, still the Edison's invention is burning and brightening our lives. That is the power of positive attitude. And one more example I'll give, friends. Frank Lloyd Wright. Some of you might have heard about him. A famous American architect. Famous American architect. He was asked, what was your, and he has designed more than 1,000 designs, and some of his structures were designs, architectural structures were very famous. Architectural students may know about him. And when a reporter asked him, what was your masterpiece of all these designs? He says, my next one. He says, my next one. What was his age at that time? 83 years. And he passed away at the age of 92. Until his death, he continued working on his projects, designing architectures. That was the attitude, positive mindset people's attitude. They'll never give up. Constantly they will be seeking something. Friends, we need to build positive attitude in our lives too, in order to achieve success, because we all want to achieve success. We all want to see possibilities. Let me give you one more example about positive attitude person. Recently, it's a fictional story. Recently a country was discovered, and the moment country was discovered, famous shoe companies wanted to do business there, and they sent their business representatives there. And the first salesman went and researched over there and found that there in that newly discovered country, the people don't have the habit of wearing shoes. And he came to the conclusion that because they don't have the habit of wearing shoes, there is no possibility of marketing shoes. And he sent the report, it is a waste of marketing in this country. I'm coming tomorrow. And another shoe company representative went and researched there, like as the previous one, and he sent a telegram, send me immediately 1 lakh pair of shoes. Here nobody have the habit of wearing shoes. See the change, friends. The second salesman saw an opportunity. That he has, because of positive attitude, he saw an opportunity. He is ready to market the shoes over there, convincing the people that the benefits of, what are the benefits of wearing shoes. And then by doing marketing there, not only he is increasing his standard of life by selling shoes in the country, he is expanding the market of his company. That kind of a people will build companies. That kind of a positive mindset people will build families. These kind of a people will build nations, friends. That's what we need. We need to have a positive mindset. Friends, finally, I'll be telling you that one thing. Nothing can stop a positive mindset person from achieving his goal, and no one can help the man with a negative mindset. no force. Even God also can't help him. Because once a man was praying God, please God, see to it that I'll get a lottery ticket. I'm facing many problems. Please God, bless me so that I'll get a lottery ticket. And he passed away. He went to heaven. There he asked God, I've been praying you, but you haven't blessed me. I've been faced many problems, but you haven't blessed me by winning lottery. For that he says, I'm always blessing you, sending my blessings to you, but unless you purchase a lottery ticket, unless you go out and purchase a lottery ticket, how can I bless you? So here it's a fictitious story, but within this lies some message, friends. Try to catch that message. Now let us all build a positive attitude and march towards our glorious life, glorious future. That's all for this episode. This is Durga Gunta signing off. Thank you.